In first question, you have to construct a rectangle whose length is 5 centimeter and whose diagonal is 7 centimeter. So two measures are given basically. Means you, here is your, let's make the dummy. So you have to construct a rectangle, okay, whose length is given, this is 5 centimeter and diagonal is given, okay. So this diagonal is actually equals to 7 centimeter, okay. Let's call it ABCD. You need to construct it. So if we have to construct this rectangle, what do we need? We basically need 6 measures, okay. The moment we'll draw DC, D and C will come in the scene. Now we have to look for A and B. So what should we look for first? Let's go for A. A is 7 centimeter from C, okay. So we have got one measure, but there are many points which are 7 centimeter from C. No, we can draw a circle of radius 7 centimeter. So there are many points. Out of those points, which one is A? We need one more point to fix up A, and that can be this. So what property did we use of rectangle? We used that all angles of a rectangle are 90 degree. So now we'll get A also in the scene. No, let's write down the steps side by side, okay. So step 1, DC equals 5 centimeter, which will bring D and C in the scene. The second one is CA equals 7 centimeter, but this alone cannot help in finding A. So angle D equals to 90 degree, okay. So they will collectively give you point A. Now here you can mention the reason as all angles of rectangle are 90 degree. Now what is left? D is done, C is done, A. 3 vertices are on the paper. Now we have to look for B. How to reach B? Okay, so see, to locate B, there are many ways, okay. The one thing is we can draw angle C. At angle C we can draw 90. C is at the scene, we can draw 90 degree there. A भी हमारे पास आ चुका है, we can draw angle A also 90 degree. No, so it's like C, it's the simplest one. C equals 90 degree and A equals 90 degree. So they'll collectively give you B, okay. Instead of this, we can also write AB equals 5, because opposite angles of a opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, no, and we can draw C equals 90. No, so C and AB can give you B, okay. And we can also do that A 90 and BC equals to AD. Maybe we do not have the measure of AD, but we can select AD from here, and from there we can find out B. So this question was quite easy. There were many ways to do it, okay. Now I'm not writing this reason again here, because I have shown my knowledge that angles of a rectangle are 90 degree, okay. Or zyada hi ho to you can write here also, means you're connecting it to the above reason. So this is how we have to do the question number 1. Then we have question number 2. Your question number 2 says, draw a parallelogram whose one side is 5 centimeter and whose two diagonals are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. So let's draw the dummy. You can draw any figure, because dummy can be any four-sided figure. No, need not to be a parallelogram, but we can draw that also. So this is your ABCD, okay. And here one of the side is 5 centimeter. Let's take this as 5 centimeter, and you have been given two diagonals. One is this and the other is this. So this diagonal is 8 centimeter and this is actually equals to 6 centimeter, okay. So now we have been given 3 measure, but we need 2 more, okay. 2 more. Let's see, whom do we need? See, we can generate many measures, because we have been given the figure as a parallelogram. Okay, but let's see whom all do we need to reach which vertex we are facing problem. Let's see that. Okay, uh, see, you're quite familiar with the properties of square and rectangle because you are studying these two figures since very small class, no, when you were very young. Okay, uh, parallelogram can be a little tedious for you because these all are mostly done in class 8, and and there is a chapter of construction of quadrilaterals in class 8 where you do exercise them a lot, but because of this COVID crisis you didn't do this chapter last year. Let me clear it now. These two particular questions and means the constructions is not the part of class 9 syllabus, but but it's important to learn them at any point of your life, because after 8th you're not going to encounter it anywhere. So you cannot grow up without learning some basic things, no. um, so even triangle construction is not the part of class 9. Okay, but still we are doing it because they are needed to move ahead with the syllabus of class 9. Okay, so whatever we are doing, now you are matured up, 1 year matured up, so I suppose um, you can understand these things far betterly. Okay, so construction of triangle and quadrilateral not very different, they are similar, and you did it successfully in your previous modules. Okay, but the construction of specific figures just like rectangle, square, when the measures are not given and you have to use the properties, they are little I would say an application level up, because you have to recall all the properties, you must be aware of properties of quadrilateral. Okay, so if you have if question 2 is troubling you, that means the properties of parallelogram has not set properly in your mind. Okay, so one thing, you can also open class 8 book or notebook, you have done the properties, no. Okay, so you may have forget them but you have done them, no. So here what all are the properties, see, side and angle, there are three types of properties of quadrilateral: side related, angle related, and diagonal related. Side and angle related are still easy to remember, but the diagonal related, because you never use them before class 9, so you may feel means they cannot easily come to your mind whenever you have to recall them. Okay, for that you need to spend a special time revising them so that they can be long lasting, no. So, and that's the only reason you're facing problem in this question. Okay, so what to do, what can we make first here, uh, see, we can draw 5 centimeter first. DC equals 5 centimeter, which will bring D and C in the scene. Now second, where D and C are there, so two vertices we have got. Now we want A and B. To reach A we have one measure, we do not have the second measure, neither we know about the angle, and now the angle are equals to 90 degree. Okay, so we do not have any second measure to reach A. Similarly here we do not have any second measure to reach B. Okay, we just have one dB. B is 6 centimeter away from D, but there are many points which are 6 centimeter. If we open our compass equals 6 centimeter, we'll get many points. In fact, all the points on the circle of radius 6 centimeter can be, means are eligible for B. But which one is B amongst them? We need one more point to fix B, one more measure to fix B. Okay, and we do not have that. Okay, now here comes the role of property. The diagonals of a parallelogram. Now any parallelogram I mean which all figure are parallelogram. Okay, parallelogram is a bigger set. Rhombus is also a parallelogram. Okay, and your rectangle is also a parallelogram. and your square is also a parallelogram. So in all of these, the diagonal bisect each other. That means this is equals to this and this is equals to this. Now we got to know the measure. Okay, what measure? That this portion here, this is 4 and this is also 4, and this is actually because this is 6, so this is 3 and this is also 3. Now we got 4 and 3, so we can reach here. No, we have got this. We can, so what can we do now? Let's call this point O. We can say DO equals 3 centimeter and CO equals 4 centimeter will give you O. Now you have got O. Now you can increase your diagonal, no? Now you simply have to, what do you have to do? Extend DO by 3 centimeter and the end point is B. You just have to extend. For extension you don't need any equipment, means you just need a scale, no compass, nothing more fancy reasons. So the end point and the end point is B. Similarly, extend CO. We always call extend CO because we have to extend it in that direction. We do not call it extend OC. Similarly, here we do not call extend OD by 3 centimeter. If it would be so, then OD will be extended in this direction. You don't want to extend it in this direction, no? So here by 3 centimeter and the end point is D. No? So you got your, B. Very sorry. We are extending CO and the end point is A. Okay, so we have D in the scene, C in the scene, B also we got, A also we got. So all 4 vertices are there. Now we can easily join these all sides to make the parallelogram. Okay, so this was the one way out to reach the figure. There is one more way out, so why don't you explore it by finding out the properties of parallelogram.